Hello, everybody. Brian here, quantlabs.net. So it's the 20th of January, 2:03 East Standard Time. Just want to let you know before I get started, make sure you get on our daily newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact, fill out your details, and more importantly, if you go to quantlabs.shop, just click on the catalog, which will take you to a page like this. We've got two products, very cheap, $97. Learn how to crypto trade. And if you want to learn how to build out the bots that you'll start to see the results I'm about to show you, this course will help you out as well. Python Algo Trading Infrastructure with Cryptocurrency. So here's the results. Here's one of them, the long-term, early stages, no different, of near. Lots of coins are kind of suffering right now. So we go from $2 back in August all the way up to $20, currently at 17 bucks. So let me show you what's currently trading. Right now, if you look at our database, the weighted average is negative. It was a little fairly strong earlier today. Let me just show you that. So with our risk on for the weighted average, what you'll see here at around 11 o'clock a.m. my time, fairly strong. As you can see here, it started around 9:46 till about 11:30. So it was only a 2-hour window of momentum, and then just tapered back off, going back to negative. So what I'm going to show you here is the trades for today. It's about 3, so it's still, well, it's only halfway, just over halfway. So for today, I'm going to focus on these coins. These are Sand, ICP, and Near. Well, I've already shown you Near. Here you can see it's doing quite well. You can see that big bar for today. So on an hourly basis, you know, let me just show you, maybe the 15-minute be better. So yeah, you can see it from 16:30 all the way up to roughly 17:30. Not much. It's a very quiet market. Right now it's at 17:11. Another trade that happened was ICP. This one can surprise. Doesn't look much, but this one has been fairly active. On a 15-minute basis here, see that little swing there from 25 to 28.60. So that right there is a 15% move. Sorry, a 5% move. And then the last one, as I said, was Near. And this one I haven't seen in a while is Sand, Metaverse coin. Let's see that one on a 15-minute basis. Yeah, you can see some nice swings here. 425 to 445, about a 5% move. Earlier move from 414. So it is moving, but as I said last night in my webinar, it's really, really volatile right now. Now, another thing I want to highlight here, I'm going to show what I put in the webinar last night, is this is what's on the watch list right now. So we've got Near, Sand, and FTM. Let me just show you that one. That's Phantom, I believe. Let me just show. This one's been performing somewhat as well. Again, this is off of Binance.com. So Phantom had a nice swing today, 284 up to 304. So maybe a 10% move, but it just goes back down. Very volatile if you're able to pick up and time these swings. So that's where, if you want to trade this, if you can mean revert, fine, you do well there. Or the only way to really win it here is by building out these kind of bots that I mentioned in the Python course here. This one, Python Algo Trading Infrastructure with Cryptocurrency. That's where, in these times, if you're willing to put the time in to invest, do that. It's well worth it, I think, when you look at the results and the details of it. When you look at the P&L, it's not very much looking, but you can easily scale up your position sizing when you get more wins. Right now I'm experimenting on the ROC, rate of change. I could probably eliminate these negative ones, but it won't trade as much. So that I'm kind of experimenting with right now. And that is driven by this table here in the database. This remove negative crypto. So these are coins that do show signs of activity and swings, but because the volatility is so extreme, the bot won't trade them. So I'm able to control if I'm going to actually have a negative crypto and ban the crypto for like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, until the coin either settles and momentum starts to build on a breakout, or if it doesn't and just goes back down, then it'll just filter it out and just drop it off the list. So those are the scenarios, and it's so unpredictable, it's very hard to determine that. So I'm going to go through these coins just to show you what can show some potential here. So these are over the last few hours. So we've already shown you FTM. Let me show you EGLD right now. EGLD. Always helps to. I haven't seen performance of this in a while, but overall this shows you the market is trending up. It's getting stronger, there's no doubt about it. It's been really dead for the last little while. So this coin at around 3 a.m. was at 172, moved up to 185, small moves there, not bad, and it's still stable. Another one that showed some performance is Harmony, or One. This one's another coin that's been performing pretty good. You can see there a little bit, not much there. Here we are 8.15, coin was around 28 cents all the way up to 30 cents. That's a 10% move. And again, it's just trying to capture these are really tough to do. And yet, if I did take the position, it waits it out for a potential entry point. But then if it's too volatile, it won't, because then you get a negative position. So you get an overall negative P&L on your daily returns. So you don't want that. So another one to look at is Avalanche. This one long term is getting up there in terms of market cap, and you can see it right here. And again, that's on a daily basis right here. It's just shooting up from August at 12.38 all the way up to 1.38, so 10-time return. Peaked here in November 22nd. That's the same kind of move you got with Solano, but it's been drifting back. But when you look at the 15-minute chart here, there's some bit of activity here. You can see it right here. 81.50 for both at here, July 19th. 1581, oh sorry, 80, what's that? 81.44, and it peaked here at 87. So again, 5% move, drop back, and the question is, will it come back? That's the hard part. Continuing along, we got Gala, another coin that's been kind of performing. Let's check that one out. So Gala, as well, these little swings do matter if you can capture them. My bot won't, but again here at 7:45 a.m., 27 cents all the way up to 29 cents. Woo! This coin's been talked about a bit. It's one called Rose. Let me just pull that up. I've seen some articles on that, chatter. So this one's been doing really, really good. You can see there. Again, from August here, price here at 6 cents all the way up to 55 cents. Incredible move, but it's dropped back. And then the last day it's been moving up. Let's check out on an hourly or 15-minute. So again, at around 9 a.m., 8.45, 44 cents all the way up to 48 cents, 10% move, and it's starting to move up again. So keep your eyes on that. DYDX I haven't seen in a while. Let's talk about that one. That has its own decentralized exchange. I'd like to see some more volume on that before I would be able to sit there and go, yes, this has got potential as a decentral exchange. DYDX. Let's see here. What do we got? Yeah, see, it just did really well. It's very typical of new stocks back in September. Just mushrooms up to 25 bucks. Now it's down to $8. But you can see there on that daily, it's been pretty active on the upside. So again, on the 15-minute chart here, look at that, looking pretty good actually. 669 all the way up to 830. That's a good 20-30% move. Another coin that's been proving to be doing quite well is Cosmos Atom. This one looking really good there on a daily basis here. Let's just talk about the last swing here at $22 at you know, that swing there around December 16th, and now it's currently at 41. So that's not quite triple, but it'll soon will be. On a 15-minute basis here, look at that. Wow, 3 a.m. at January 9th, and it's $35. Now it's at $42. So it's more than 10-15%. So there you go. There are some very active movers out there. So again, to take advantage of this, I would recommend you to get onto our chat, to our daily server, a daily newsletter here at quantlabs.net/contact, or get on the product here. I'm going to be raising these prices back up to where they should be. Again, at quantlabs.shop, the cryptocurrency course, as well as the Python algo trading course. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.